All right, Associate Fellow. We're really excited about this. This is a few years coming. Something that the Vertical Flight Society was missing, an Associate Fellow, a mid-career acknowledgement. So we're proud to announce that the Board of Directors and the Tech Council approved the new Associate Fellow recognition. And so we're going to be rolling this out as of immediately. We're going to push out some material to our distribution, explaining the Associate Fellow Award and how to apply. We'll have a scoring sheet. You can self-score yourself to get a general sense of the different criteria that we're looking for. If you think you hit a certain score, we certainly suggest you nominate yourself. We'll have a committee that stands up to get that first inaugural class so that we can catch up. Aspirationally, I'd like to get to 300. We probably justifiably have a few more that would qualify as an associate fellow, but we're going to try to catch up. And then after the summer into the fall, we'll close off that initial surge, and then we'll try to bring in about 20 or so new associate fellows every year, and it'll be a part of the standard awards process when you're nominating a technical fellow or an honorary fellow or the other awards. You'll be able to nominate yourself or another person as an associate fellow. And the cost of an associate fellow membership is no different than a regular membership. We're not going to charge you more just because you're an associate fellow.